All right, good morning. So it is Saturday. We have a event with Adidas Terex. I think it's the launch of the Agravic Ultra or something like that. Wish us luck. Sana mag-enjoy mga tao. Snipers with us. Hi Snipey. Come on up. Good boy. So medyo madilim pero medyo maliwanag na talaga. Madilim lang sa GoPro siguro.
Guys, morning guys. Thank you for the time there to warm up. So we have Hatch from Cortera just to go over the whole journey and what's gonna be. So,
Good morning, welcome to Cortera. I'm Hatch. Basically, kami ni Alden is the taga-budol ng mga tao dito. So I'm not a trail runner, I'm not a runner, I'm a mountain biker. So basically sila ang tumatakbo. Ang reyna ng 100 miles, si Madjo will be our guide. This is Alden. Alden is an ultra adventure racer. So basically mga kalokohan ng mga bikepacking nagawa na niya. Even he just finished Tour Divide last year.
wow!
So kami basically Cortera team. Yeah.
And Monty.
And Monty, of course. Ang regular average kilometrahe nito is like 15 kilometers per run. So yeah, so welcome. This is Cortera is a family-run business. Siyempre, we'll continue to build more trails for bikes, and then eventually we'll create a loop for trail running and hiking. Siguro mga daw 8K, no?
Yeah,
Kaya namin
8 to 12K.
Siguro kaya namin pag natapos lahat, maybe baka nga 15 pag natapos natin yung kabila. So yeah, right now 5 sub 5K kasi para kailangan nyo ng champurado at arcado dun sa baba. So yeah, we'll do a short basta sub 5K. We'll just do the A line. No, the B line. Sorry, not the A line. Si Madjo will be guiding us.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
So mag-walk through na lang kung ano yung
What to expect?
What to expect?
Yeah, what to expect
So, we will be running one big loop and a small loop. So, if most of you naman have already experienced trail running, siguro naman.
Yung iba.
Hindi, yung iba.
Meron na bang
may first time ba?
First time? Okay.
So, kasi, trail builders, primarily, ginagamit for bike talaga siya. Pero, combined naman na pwede gamitin for trail run.
Multi-use trail.
Multi-use.
Multi-use trail.
We will be running through the 3 lines, mga single track combination. Actually, lahat ng klaseng terrain will be here. Single line, fire road, then meron ding mga technical. Tapos expect nyo on the first part, in the yellow trail, so there will be a lot of roots.
Yes.
Ingat lang, tsaka mga nakalabas na mga roots, so baka pumasok yung paa nyo. So be careful lang. Kayangan lang talaga sa trail running is always be alert sa ground. So hindi tayo pwede
Tumingin sa kung saan sa
kasi baka matalisod kayo. So yun lang, be careful. Then there will be a lot of stumps na nakalabas na mga roots. Kasi natural feature naman siya. Then may mga parts din na runnable. Actually runnable yung buong course. So maikli lang naman siya. Tapos yung uphill, it will be a gradual uphill sa other side of the trail hanggang makarating kayo doon sa parang campsite. And then, yung mga gusto pa since short lang naman siya, we will go up here on the other side. So, gradual uphill. Then, iikot tayo, mag-end up, dadaan ulit tayo dun sa entrance, then papasok ulit tayo sa isang trail pa na purple.
Anong color yung susundan?
Purple. Yung first one, majority is downhill going to the dam. It's yellow trail ang tawag. So you can look for the yellow reflector. Hindi kayo mawawala doon kasi puno.
It's very well marked. Pag sa gabi para siyang
Tsaka nandun naman
airport.
kami sa mga intersection. So hanggang dun sa babang baba, then we will regroup on the dam. Nandun din may water station. So mag-refill na lang kayo kasi baka abutan na tayo ng init pa akyat. And then we will go up on the left side. Sa left side naman, it is called the Purple Trail. So look for color pink.
Purple.
Purple or pink.
Sorry, pink yung paakyat.
Pink, purple, basta walang ganun yung mark.
Color-coded yung...
Color-coded lahat.
Tapos may mga arrows naman na susundan going up. So may mga ahon din na nakalagay na markers saka bukod sa sa Adidas na markers.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually wala naman siyang ligaw.
Enjoy, enjoy.
May camera, wala ganyan.
Enjoy. Enjoy, enjoy.
Hindi siya parang nakaka-immerse. Oo. Kailangan
Yo. So we are now near the dam. Let's do the A-line. Para masaya. A-line. Yeah.
Verstappen! Inside line! They on the break! Patos. Libre, but syempre bili rin kayo sa amin, di ba? From time to time. But yes, I'd really like to thank you. As Melvin said, hopefully this won't be the last. Trail running is actually on the rise, so it's something that we're very interested in penetrating and try to really have more activations like this. So moving forward, one is, of course, I have to promote our page. So if ever you have content that you've shot or personal pages, please tag Adidas PH. So yung nakikita nyo sa Instagram namin, siya yun.
So, mag-like and comment sa mga posts niya.
Ideally put it on public and then post whatever you want. It's fine. We let you guys do organic stuff and we're happy to have you here to create your own content. And then lastly is, we've rented the space until 4 p.m. So sa mga nabitin, actually pwede pa kayong magstay dito kasi pa tumakbo. Hash is very actually thank you for opening your doors to us. So if ever you guys want to stay pa, do a couple more kilometers, they're more than willing to accompany you. And your parking is also free. So everything is already shown. So please post us and please log on. If wala pa yung Addict Club number, Addict Club members. Okay. So watch out for more exclusive drops and more activations that we're having in the future. With that being said, thank you very much everyone. Good job. Okay, thank you.